this is Ieasha of Elaborate Designs by Ieasha, and welcome back to my channel. Well, today I am super excited because I have teamed up with Shangie over at Living Life to the Fullest, all right? We will be doing a collaboration together, and this is a closed collaboration, but it's a two-part video. It's a two-part video. The first video will be uploaded on September the 12th, which is a Saturday, and the second video will be uploaded the following Saturday, which will be September the 19th. All right, so the first video will go up September the 12th, which is a Saturday, and the second video will be uploaded the next Saturday, which will be September the 19th. All right, so the first video will be how to show you all how to do a balloon garland. All right, so I am inviting you to come and look at both videos. Look at the video here on my channel as well as the video on Shangie's channel, okay? It's gonna be really great, and it will show you all how to make a balloon garland. All right, that's the first video, which will be September the 12th. The second video will be a really great and fun video because we will be adding a tablescape as well as our balloon garland, all right? So we'll be showing you our balloon garland as well as a beautiful tablescape, which will be September the 19th. So I'm asking you all to come over to my channel as well as Shangie Living Life to the Fullest channel. Make sure you go over to her channel and show her some love. She has some great videos. She do like flower arrangements, flower centerpieces, tablescapes, and she also has balloon garlands. So I just want to invite you all back on September the 12th as well as September the 19th so that you all can see our videos. And the title to the videos that we are doing for this collaboration will be Celebrate Big. All right, so here on my channel, you will see event decor, you will see tablescapes, and you will also see balloon designs. I hope that you all have an amazing day, and I will see you all on my next video.